Hey guys, Jim and Donley Ford here in Mount Vernon. I want to show you a couple vans that we have, both cargo vans. This one is a 2022 GMC Savannah, just under 16,000 miles. Power windows, power locks, all that good stuff. If you peek in there, it's already got a bulkhead in it for you. Really nice running boards there for you as well. Backup camera. Does have the bumper guards here on the back if you're backing up to a dock door. Of course, tons of room in this thing. Good vinyl mat on the bottom. Obviously 16,000 miles, but doesn't look like it's been worked very much, guys. If you're thinking more something new, or maybe something with a little higher roof, this is a brand new transit van with a medium roof. Mid-50s as far as price goes, but really neither one of these vans we see very often. So if you're thinking something new or pre-owned and you need a cargo van, we got a couple choices for you. Come see us.